Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Firefox dark theme. So guys, if you want to enable Firefox dark theme, it's very easy. Firstly, open Firefox. So click on three dot. Now click on customize and here option themes. So click on dark. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable Firefox dark theme. Thank you for watching this video. This is very easy and quickly method if you want to enable Firefox dark theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.